How to fix your connection is not private on Google Chrome. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to fix your connection in not private on Google Chrome. So first is you have to make sure that your date and time is set correctly. So as you can see here, um, a private connection to www.google.com can't be established because of your computer's date and time. So you cannot actually use the Chrome because of your date and time. So as you can see here, I've set it to 1998. So all you have to do is to click on the update date and time and change date and time here. So choose for the current year and then for the month there. So today is August 29 there, and then set the time to 12:01, and that's PM. And then here you could actually change the calendar settings. So you may want to change the format. You could also change the language preferences there. So let's just click on OK and type in OK. Now to make sure that you have successfully, or you don't have to manually change your date and time there, you could always go to the other settings. So go to the search bar here and type in date at time settings. And here you can set your time automatically. You can set your time automatically depending on your time zone. So this is actually my time zone. So you click on that. So your time and date is automatically synced with the date today. So let's just X this or close that, and then go back to the Google and then open your Chrome. And as you can see, the error now is gone. Now if it's still not working, there might be a problem to your network connection. So all you have to do is to right click on this and then choose open network and internet settings here. And if you scroll below, you'll see change adapter options. Click on that. Now click on this network and go to properties. Now here it will directly lead you here. So you will choose the internet protocol version 4 here and click on properties. So you have to choose the obtain an IP address automatically, then click on use the following DNS server addresses. So all you have to do is to copy the address here. So 8888, then here for the alternate DNS server 8844, and press and OK, then close, turn everything off. And basically you have to restart your computer, and that is how you fix your connection is not private on Google Chrome. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.